Okay, we'll put the formula first. Starting with the formula, we'll make a revision also of the formula with this sum. Question number 3. Formula is future value is equal to present value in bracket 1 plus I upon m bracket close m into n. Read the question thoroughly. We are given quarterly compounding and we need to find out the value. Your present value is 1000. 1 plus your interest rate given in the question is 0.06. Your interest rate given in the question is 0.06. It is given as 6%. We'll write it as 0.06. Now we have to calculate it quarterly. That means m will be 4. We need to calculate quarterly, so m will be 4. M 4, and we need to calculate for the end of 2 years. So your n will be 2. Sorry. M is likewise if we need to calculate for 1 year. मैत्री अगर 1 साल के लिए कैलकुलेट करना होता है तो m 1 ईयर होता है. एनुअली कैलकुलेट करना हो, अगर सेमी एनुअली करना हो तो m 2 होता है. मतलब 1 साल में 2 बार 6 मंथ्स होते हैं हो, और क्वार्टरली करना होता है तो m हमेशा 4 होता है. ये याद रख लेना. ठीक है. वी मूव फॉरवर्ड. दिस इज 1000. 1 प्लस 0.06 divided by 4 will be 0.06, 0.015 raised to 8. Clear? 1000 in bracket 1.015 raised to 8. 1000 in bracket 1.015 raised to 8. Take your calculus. You didn't got 1.015, Manoj. 1 plus 0.015. Okay. Take your calculus. Find out the figure of 1.015 raised to 8. 1.015 into 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.1265. 1000 into 1.1265, which is equal to 1126.49 or something like that. If such kind of figures you are getting in your solution, you cannot find this answer in the logbook. You will cannot get answer in the logbook. So that is the reason I have taught you how to calculate on Calci. This you have to calculate on calculators only. I am repeating the last step again. This 1.1265. Take your calculus. 1.015 into 1. Press equal to 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will get 1.1265, which you need to multiply with 1000, and you will get 1126.5 or 1126.49. This is your value of future value in rupees. Okay, starting with the formula. Your present value is equal to your future value upon 1 plus I raised to n. Future value upon 1 plus I raised to n. The sums are very easy. The thing is that you should look at the logbook carefully and you should study the formulas carefully. Now looking at the question, we need to calculate the present value. Future value given in the question is your, read the question carefully. What is the present value of rupees 1 to be received after 2 years, compounded annually at 10% per annum? So we need to calculate present value. Future value given in the question is 1 rupee. Future value given in the question is 1 rupee. Your interest rate given in the question is 10%. So we'll write 0.10. Interest rate given in the question is 0.10 raised to 2. Now coming to here, when you need to see this in your logbook, take out your logbook, check your logbook, see the heading future value of interest factor. In your logbook, see the heading future value of interest factor. In that part, check 10% for 2 years. check 10% for 2 years. 1.210, 1.210, 1.210. Okay, 1.210. So give the answer. 1 divided by 1.210, you will get the answer as 0.826. 0.826 is your answer. Moving on to the second question. Again, we need to calculate your present value, which is equal to future value upon 1 plus I raised to m. Future value क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है 10,000. Your interest rate given in the question is 0.09. Number of years is 5. Check your logbook. 9% 5 years. 9% for 5 years. लॉगबुक देखने में गलती मत कर. Yes, 1.539. 10,000 divided by 1.539. What is the final answer you are getting? Okay. Near about. Please mute your mics. पीछे से बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है. 6497.725. Near about. कैल्सी से भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं ये वाली फिगर. 1 plus 0.09 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is the same value 1.538. Final answer is 6497.725. Okay, I'll solve the question now. Present value is equal to 2000 upon 1 plus 0.10 raised to 5. Check your logbook for 10% for 5 years. Check your logbook 10% 5 years. The value is 1. Let's see. Just a second. If the value is 10%, 1.611. Yes. So 2000 चलेगा. 1 और 0 का डिफरेंस में कोई इशू नहीं है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. 10% for 5 years. 1.611. 2000 divided by 1.611. We are getting final answer as 1241.46 near about. Or you can write 1242 rupees also.